light and a turn signal, and one of the back turn signal, it don't open. It ain't gonna unlock.
No.
We tried to, you see where we tried to pry it open.
Oh, I got
It's
you.
in a bind. Yep.
Here, we hold this for a second.
Yeah.
You know what? Actually, I'm gonna start it from out here just in case that airbag decides to go off on me.
I had it running. Go ahead and fire it up.
That's insane.
It runs fine.
Point it up. Wild. This thing is wild.
Like some kind of, I've never seen anything like it.
We're in here. So I guess it's to be expected that it would do some crazy shit. Stop it. I'm not gonna be able to hear with them, but the locks are just going off. It's like click, chick, 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 chick. Oh, quit it. Okay, so I can say I've cut a roof off a car now. I'm trying to cut as little as possible, but it's just not letting me. It looks like I'm gonna have to, because I can't push this up, I can't pull it up. Let's see here. I was really hoping to keep like some of the windshield, but maybe I just cut it, I think right here. I was wanting to keep the seatbelts too, and the doors. God, look at those columns. It took it straight, bowed it out. I wonder if it'll run. That's what I want to know. Will she run? Find out. Looking like tomorrow, I guess, at this point. If there's one thing I hate, it's these ugly ass door windows. Fix that right now. Yeet! Oh, check it. Let's see if the door shuts. Look at that, mint, dude. Now, I mean, we basically got a convertible already. We just got to get this part up, and we're rocking and rolling, son. Look how much better it looks already. I mean, I could basically drive it the way it is. It's just caved in over here. We don't want to. See if something happens. Hopefully, I don't catch on fire. And more rain. I should probably get that thing out of fucking rain. God damn it. Alright, so we charged the battery. I think the battery was just dead. So let's shut this. I can hear water. Let's just see if we can get her to run real quick. Battery's about to die. Let's just see if she'll run. Oh. Convertible Cobalt. First thing I'm going to say about this is ridiculous. Do not recommend this. Someone said that it might just split in half. I don't think it's going to do that. I mean, it seems pretty strong. I don't think that's going to happen. We do have a helmet because I do not have any. let's maybe just see how close we can get to this tree over here. How about that? Hey. So hot, car's getting hot, but I didn't get much on this camera, I don't think. We're gonna try to get one J-turn around it, and then I'm gonna put this thing away. Oh no, this is not a GoPro. You just were sitting like right here. Try it again from maybe we'll go see if my neighbor wants to see his car.
What the fuck? No doors on the back?
I was trying to get the trunk to close, but it wouldn't close.
No. You're not going to be able to close that.
It works though.
Great for a derby.
That's what I'm hoping for. Like a little derby car.
Go fucking tear it up. You know, what's a railroad doing there?
They fixed the tracks.
Oh.
And they're, what a freaking beast. This thing's a beast. Let's go put her away. Service airbag. I wonder why it says that. Whoo, she's hot. I'm hot. I mean, dreams. Bye.
To the street.